If you're considering Systemd IO for building landing pages, here are 12 things you need to know before buying it. We'll take a close look at its features and how it compares to other popular options in the market, so you'll know if it's really the best fit for you. The first thing to note about Systemd IO is its all-in-one approach. It offers not just landing pages, but also email marketing, funnels, and membership sites. This can be appealing if you're looking for a platform that combines multiple tools into one. But it's important to understand that while the feature set is robust, it may not be as specialized as platforms like ClickFunnels or Leadpages when it comes to just building landing pages. Next thing you should know is that it's affordable. Unlike ClickFunnels, which can get pretty expensive, Systemd IO's pricing starts at a very competitive rate, making it a great choice if you're on a budget. However, the lower price comes with some trade-offs. For example, you may not get as many customization options as you would with a more expensive competitor. The third thing to consider is the ease of use. Systemd IO is designed to be beginner-friendly, and it definitely delivers on this front. Its drag-and-drop editor makes it simple to create landing pages even if you have no technical skills. But if you're someone who requires a high degree of design flexibility, platforms like Unbounce may provide you with more creative freedom. Next thing to know is the email marketing integration. Systemd IO has solid email marketing tools that let you create automated workflows, which can be a huge plus for users wanting to build sales funnels. However, compared to dedicated email marketing services like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign, its features are a bit more limited. The fifth thing is its sales funnel builder. Unlike some platforms, which are focused on just landing pages, Systemd IO lets you easily create entire sales funnels. It's useful if you want to integrate your landing pages into a full funnel strategy, but it might not be as advanced or optimized for conversions as more established funnel builders like ClickFunnels. Next, let's talk about the template library. Systemd IO has a decent collection of templates for landing pages, but it's not as extensive or polished as the options you might find with platforms like Leadpages or Thrive Architect. If you're looking for highly refined, professional templates, those competitors may give you more options. The seventh thing to know is about the affiliate management system. If you're looking to run an affiliate program, Systemd IO includes this feature in its platform, which is a great value. However, if you're looking for more advanced affiliate features, platforms like Kartra or even ClickFunnels might be better equipped for the job. The eighth thing to keep in mind is that while Systemd IO has a lot of features bundled together, it might feel a little bloated if you're just looking for a landing page builder. Some competitors, like Instapage, focus exclusively on landing pages, making it a more streamlined option if you don't need the extras that come with Systemd IO. The ninth thing is mobile responsiveness. Systemd IO does a good job in ensuring that your landing pages are mobile friendly, which is critical since most traffic today comes from mobile devices. But again, platforms like Unbounce are known for having more advanced mobile customization options, which could be an important consideration for your business. The 10th thing to consider is customer support. While Systemd IO offers support through email and an extensive knowledge base, some users report that response times can be slow, especially compared to other platforms like Leadpages or Kartra, which are known for offering quicker and more personalized customer service. Next up is the affiliate marketing feature, System. IO's ability to create and manage affiliate programs within the platform is unique. If you're planning on running your own affiliate marketing program, this feature is a great value, but if you're only focused on landing pages, this extra functionality may not be necessary. The 12th and final thing to know before buying Systemd IO is the learning curve. Even though it's marketed as beginner-friendly, some users still report a bit of a learning curve, especially when it comes to integrating all of its features together. It may take some time to fully understand how to get the most out of it, particularly if you're coming from a more simplified landing page builder. So, is System.io a good option? It certainly is if you need an affordable, all-in-one solution. But if you want a better option, especially if you're focused on just creating highly optimized landing pages or need more advanced features, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.